Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a cool summer pink-purple makeup look. Start with a makeup setting spray. For prep, just one light layer is enough to lightly hydrate the skin. Use a mixed concealer to cover dullness and blemishes first. You can blend the edges directly with your fingers. Apply a thin layer of concealer all over the face to even out discoloration, just enough to balance the skin tone. Cream pot concealers are super trendy right now because they actually cover up dark circles and acne way better than liquid ones. The creamy texture doesn't slide around and blends perfectly into the skin, which is exactly how we get that flawless, airbrushed look. Next, we'll use a cushion foundation for the base. This works especially well for dry skin and gives a soft satin finish. For a natural flush, use a liquid blush. Pick it up with a brush, as watery formulas apply better this way. Dab it onto the center of the face, chin, and forehead. Set the inner face with a brightening light purple powder. See how it brightened my face? Applying a light purple powder like this instantly neutralizes dull, yellowish, or sallow undertones, making your face look radiant, awake, and naturally lifted. Now use a natural tone powder on the outer areas. Finish with another layer of setting spray. For the eyes, apply a light shadow over the entire lid as a base. Use a soft, lotus pink shade as your main color, blending upward from the lash line and extending it along the lower lash line. Soften the edges by blending them out with the base shade. Use a deeper color to define the lower lash line. With the leftover product, sketch an egg yolk under eye bag line, then softly blend it out. Use white shimmer to brighten the inner corners, egg yolk, and tear trough. Dab a light purple glitter onto the center of the eyelid and inner corners with your finger. Curl your natural lashes, then fill in the inner eyeliner with a brown gel pencil, slowly building depth. Apply a full cluster lash for that girl group lash effect. Then extend the eyeliner slightly outward at the outer corner. Add lower lashes. Apply mascara primer and use tweezers while brushing to separate the lashes. Finally, use a heated lash curler to perfect the curl. Add light purple contact lenses to match the makeup. Then, the eye makeup is done. For contour, first map out the placement. Then blend it with a large contour brush. Use an off-white shade to highlight the nose tip and bridge. Apply a light purple highlighter on the nose tip and inner corners for extra sparkle. And contour the outer face and side profile, blending inward for a more sculpted look. Using a large stippling brush makes the contour look more natural. Next, apply a pink-purple blush as a base all over. Then use a smaller stippling brush to layer more under the eyes and on the nose tip. Use a light pink highlighter stick on the cheekbones, blending slightly inward to create more dimension. Add a small beauty mark. For the lips, use leftover powder on the puff as a base. Layer these two lip colors. Start with a dusty pink as the base. Then add a pink-purple lip glaze on top. Finish with a tiny bit of clear lip gloss. And that's the completed makeup look.